is steep. My ears won't stop popping. Semi's barely moving. I'm doing 50. Oh, we're at 2,200 meters. So this is the highest I've ever been yet. Oh man. Oh, it's so high. Oh, I wonder how much higher we get. I don't think I looked into that. I knew it was a high mountain pass. Keep it around 2,000 RPM. 60. It looks like we're at the top here, but now we're at top plains? Like, what? High plains. Alright, 2,230 meters. Let's see what's next. Just tried to accelerate a bit up the hill, and like, yeah, my vehicle's got no power. I don't think I've ever driven this high. I think 2,300 is the highest I've ever driven. Oh man. Ears doing okay? How's your ears? Keep yawning. Yeah, you wouldn't really know while you're this high. Yeah, hopefully this will be it. It'll just be all downhill from here. Well, here's a good downhill. So we're at 2,333. There we go. It's top of this little hill. But there's some more hills, so we'll see. That was a deep canyon. And of course, that was probably it. Now we're just back to, yeah, high plains. But yeah, definitely a divide here. And yeah, I'm sure there's two mountain ranges, right? Again, haven't done my research. Typical Sean, just winging it. So I wish I could be educational here and teach you something, but the truth is, I don't know shit. All I know is the ocean is that way. There's mountains. Ah, okay, good. Got this recording. This was similar to the other one. Steep, downhill, and then we come to a bridge. And, yeah, similar giant canyon. And there is a river down there that's kind of dried up. Beautiful landscape. This is going to be an amazing drive, I think, the rest of the way. 2 hours, 39 minutes as well. Goodness, this is all just cut through the mountains here. Oh, these types of trees, it's like they're pine trees. Share the road. But they got huge needles. Again, I know nothing about trees as well. Wish I could tell you some useful information about where we are and what we're seeing. What is this garbage on the road? Get back on the shoulder. The way they've cut these mountains out though. Cool. Never seen anything like this. And yeah, I forget, there's like 50 tunnels or something. Like 10 bridges. This is ridiculous. And there's people working up here. Carving back more of the mountain. 2,400 meters. Starting to get like a little bit of a headache too. Like there's altitude sickness. Is that? Yeah, that's what it is. Gear's doing okay. El Saltro? I guess that was the town of El Saltro. Jeez. And yeah, we just about hit 2,600 meters. It was 2,580. Pretty basic town by the looks of it. just don't want to push my vehicle. I've been turning the air conditioning off too, uphill. Just babying my little Voxy. But yeah, only a couple cars like that just fly by. I mean, whatever, right? Not very many semis, so it's been a great drive. But yeah, I just paid 326 pesos, so I hope that's the last toll for this last mountainous stretch, because I am honestly running low on pesos. And yeah, a few like share the highway moments, because it is so steep here downhill for us. Uphill is quite steep for oncoming traffic. But yeah, a lot more police around here. I think they're more Army or National Guard. I mean, we're approaching the Sinaloa border from Durango, so yeah, we'll see what happens next. But we only got an hour and 40 minutes right to my Airbnb, so we should be able to just get straight there. Well, second tunnel. Yeah, we are dropping. But yeah, we just passed another like military vehicle, guy with a giant gun on the back of it. Got some following distance here, so I'm not riding my brakes. This person's driving quite cautiously. 2,100 meters, so yeah, finally coming down from that 2,700 meters. That's crazy high. And yeah, it's looking a little more unique. Different trees again, kinda. Similar trees. Wow, look at this. This one has lights in it. That was at first pretty dark before. Nobody turns their headlights on. In Canada, there's always a bunch of signs, turn your headlights on. But I mean, you stay in your lane. But anyways. Wow, this is an impressive, there's an impressive bridge coming up. Alright, these three vehicles just passed this slower guy. I feel like I should have done the same. Got another clear spot, I'll pass him here. 122. Okay, nobody's behind me. Let's do this. This is this big bridge. At least I got a little pep back in my van. And we've dropped like 500 meters. Oh my god, this scenery is absolutely stunning. So yeah, I mean, without these guardrails on a super wide road, it would be a scary drive. I would not be holding my camera with one hand doing this. But yeah, I'm glad I paid the money to be on this toll road. And yeah, it's definitely safer. They got these red dotted lines, right, to like stay on, to share the road. This is one of the nicest mountain roads I've been on. She's topping the list. The other one being in northern Thailand between Chiang Mai and Pai. I did on a moped for 3 hours straight of twisty roads. Oh, this is insane. It's dark in here. Why are there not more lights? Jesus. I haven't been using my yellow fog lights, just like, I don't know, makes me stand out more, which I do not want to stand out. Like, I cannot even comprehend and see. Oh, I think I got a glimpse of a river in the bottom. I can't even see the bottom. Can you see the bottom? Yeah, barely. Wow. This is like Grand Canyon kind of landscape when you look out at it. It's like your eyes don't even know what to focus on. I love that feeling. So different from the mountains that I'm used to in Canada. And why is there a semi-stopped? Like, what the hell? Holy shit. What a horrible place to break down. Insane. Now what am I looking at ahead of me? Oh, it's another tunnel. Oh, and some of these semis, there's 2 broken down semis. Like, it's just such a steep climb. That's gotta be so hard on those semi engines. Oh, 259 meter tunnel. These are some better lights. Me like. I have never seen mountains like this in my life, and I've seen a few mountain ranges around the world. Like, I wish there was more spots to stop. Again, that's just something in Mexico here. There's just nowhere to stop, ever, on the side of the road. 455 meter tunnel. Fog lights on at least. So trippy. So dark in here. Oh, that's a big grate. Glad I didn't hit that. Holy shit. This is insane. Like, I've never driven through mountains like this. Like, this is taking the cake over pie in Thailand. Oh, now here comes like an Escalade behind me. Like, I don't know. I'm just gonna... Okay, bye, Escalade. Alright, am I going? No, not doing it. Oh, like, they're still just passing on the double solid air brakes. Or engine brakes. Fuck. Oh, now I assume this semi's gonna pass that semi. Look at that. And it's definitely tropical now. Like, this is like looking like Hawaii, maybe. I've never been to Hawaii. All I think of, like, Jurassic Park. What was that? Where did they record Jurassic Park? Costa Rica. I mean, Costa Rica is just below us. Well, not just below us, but... Oh, I'm too chicken shit to do anything but stay behind a semi. Okay, this semi's going for it. Oh, God. Monkey see, monkey do. He's just pinning her. Oh my fucking God. He's back on the brakes. Oh my God. I mean, this is part of winging it. Like, I had no idea this is what I was in for today. Like, I could have done more research on this road, but like... Everyone likes a good surprise, right? Oh my goodness. Well, no, now I know why they charged, was it 328 pesos for this stretch? Windshield was a bit cleaner. Oh, there we go. Landed by the light. Hello. I'm glad the traffic thinned out a little bit, at least on my lane going down. We're 100k from Mazatlan. Less than 100k. That's into Mazatlan, into my Airbnb. So I believe, are we in Sinaloa yet? No. Crossing a river. That might be where the bridge is. The river is the border between Durango and Sinaloa. Okay, we're passing. Holy shit, me no likey. No, abort, abort. bridge must be up here. What are we at? 1,200 meters, holy shit. Yeah, I just saw a glimpse of the suspension bridge. Oh, Rampade Fanado. I hate how the red line does that. Like, no, we're not following the lines. What a valley. Oh. Yeah, there is the suspension part. I think there's two parts, two tall columns that suspend down to the middle. Alright, we're making a sharp right in this tunnel. At least we got a passing lane. This guy's driving pretty fast, so I don't want him behind me. Alright, wow. No stopping on bridge. Oh, so cool. Yeah. And this river, this valley just weaves through and is the border. Oh my god. So cool. This is the only thing I knew about was this cool bridge. One of the highest suspension bridges in the world. And yeah, like that is impressive. So impressive. See a little bit of the bridge behind me. Oh, and it's so deceiving because now we're like going uphill. I need like a degree thing. I know like some off-road vehicles have like what degree the vehicle is at. That would be handy just for my, you know, motion sickness to feel like this is really steep. It doesn't look steep at all. Downhill valley. Okay, well I guess we're in Sinaloa now, so hopefully there's no cartel. Just construction. And hopefully just, yeah, like, I don't know, just like one little military checkpoint. That's super chill, I hope. Or none. None would be great. But, got like an hour to go. There's another suspension bridge down there. I just checked the temperature, it's 27 degrees out. So yeah, welcome to paradise. Oh, we got some windows in this tunnel. I'm in love with this road. I have to come back in a sports car. Like a Miata even. Just a little Miata, low on power, but just like a little go-kart. That was a thought to import. You can import a Mazda Miata, like a 2005 convertible roadster. I've seen some for around $3,000–4,000 as well, but the same price as this van. So that is very tempting to do in my near future. Like a budget roadster. And a Mazda engine, super reliable, easy to fix. Drive that to Mexico. Look back at some of these mountains. Oh my god. Like a little kid in a candy shop with mountain roads. Oh, welcome to another tunnel. Decided to pass that semi. He was driving pretty slow. Ears are popping again. What's new? Man, what they had to do to make this road through the mountains here, like holy shit. To do these tunnels, to do those bridges out in the middle of nowhere. And this is Mexico, of course. Like, it's crazy. Crazy engineering. But, you know, you're connecting, you know, big cities like, you know, Monterrey to Durango to Mazatlan. And the coast, right? This is a huge highway. And it's crazy how there's two highways here, side by side kind of, that go in and out from each other. One's a toll, one's a regular. Don't know how you can see this, but this is the old highway, is the yellow line. Yeah, jeez, we're just passing a military. Here's another military vehicle. And the green suits, green vehicles, like I believe that's just the army, separate from the National Guard. Ooh, look at that Hummer. Jesus. Oh, and I can't see shit going into a tunnel. Like, do I pass? Like, nope, hell no. I'm not even gonna think about passing. Okay, yeah, we've been in this tunnel for like a minute and a half, coming up to 2 minutes. There's no light at the end of the tunnel. Too bad I'm behind this bus. The car behind me wants to pass, but yeah, this is not the place to be passing. How far underground are we right now? Alright, so not for the claustrophobic as well. If you don't like confined spaces, and I feel like we're climbing? So confusing. Well, maybe not. Okay, we're probably 3 minutes now? Like... Wow. What a mountain range. Oh my god. Well, this must be the longest tunnel. Okay, putting on 4 ways. Finally some light. Why are we slowing? Can't see anything. Oh, my eyes. I mean, I'm just following the road signs. Do not pass. From the dark to the light. Oh. Oh, mountains are getting smaller. Oh my god. Alright, this bus has been cruising, so maybe I'll just stay behind him. Hide behind him. So they can't see the turistas coming. Senor Turista. Alright, I think we're through the worst of it. You could just see the regular road down there, and like that road is probably just amazing as well. Well, I can recall staring at these mountains from Mazatlan when I was there last. Now I know that these mountain ranges are no joke. But engine brakes. It's nice following someone, especially something big like this bus. Big Mercedes Benz. Well, one day I'll come back for that non-toll road. And again, I just love how skinny this van is. So much safer being so skinny. So yeah, when I'm looking at those high aces from Japan, they got skinny and wide versions. It's gonna be a tricky decision. You go with the extra room, or the ability to squeeze in between things with a skinny width. All of a sudden, it's like humid, very, very humid, like ocean humidity. So, oh my god, it's so beautiful. And yeah, a little bit cooler, 25 now from the 27 degrees. Oh. What are we at? Okay, we're at 934 meters, so we've still got a long ways to descend. And we're not too far out, 77K. road is very safe though, like full of guardrails, full of shoulders, nothing sketchy, no potholes. You know, better than most Canadian mountain roads. And yeah, beautiful and green, just like I was hoping. Feel my hands, my skin, absorbing the moisture. I like this bus driver. He's driving really safely. He's using his four-ways, approaching the slow semi. So yeah, definitely just gonna stick with him. He's probably got people on there, so yeah, of course he's got to be playing safe, but he's still driving pretty spiritedly. And like, when do these tunnels end? I'm almost getting tired of them. Not really, no. This is... almost wish this road wasn't gonna end. Oh, 28 degrees. This has got really steep here. I've been having to use like my full engine brake mode. I got like two buttons. I got one's a sport mode that revs it up quite nicely, and I use a lot just for some engine braking. And then I have a B under drive with this CVT in here, which works great. It's like I have two stages of engine braking. So great. I do love this CVT in this Toyota. I was hesitant. I would highly recommend that as well. You know, I hit it and I just back off. Yeah, it's great. Oh my god. Finally out. The road looks less twisty ahead. Google Maps has a bit of terrain that disappears. Alright, well it is looking luscious outside. And it is 32 degrees. So yeah, finally. Some weather where it's almost too hot outside. Okay, I think this is a point of verification. Punto de verification. So, my plan is to hide behind this bus. Verification. Oh my goodness. Hopefully just semis. Yeah, it looks like semis. Perfect. Motorista bus. Whoop, okay. With my bus friend, we'll get through any checkpoint together. Muchas gracias. Yeah, I think this is the only other sketchy part of my drive. It should be fine though. Like the only other chance of, you know, just running into Sinaloa police or anyone like that. But yeah, I'm just gonna stick to this bus like glue. Oh god. Welcome back here, bus. Oh, it's 170 again. Oh, I hope that's the last one. But we're getting on the 15D, so it's not the last one. I don't even know, like maybe pushing 200 Canadian in tolls. Alright, stick to my bus like glue. We get there, no problemo. Okay, we're on the outskirts of Mazatlan, so yeah, semi-trucks everywhere. Okay, so I'm taking this exit.
Take the exit toward Concordia.
Oh, it's telling me to do like a U-turn or something. 5 minutes slower tolls. Oh, I don't like what Google wants me to do.
In 400 meters, merge onto El Salto Villa Field.
But Libre. It's trying to get me to, I don't know, avoid the toll. Apparently I gotta do a U-turn. Okay, there's a roundabout 100. Okay, beautiful. There's an actual roundabout. Okay.
40, then turn left. Turn left toward El Salto Villa Union.
Oh, he's just doing it.
40. Then turn left on El Salto Villa Union.
The guy behind me just did a U-turn at the bridge. We're doing the legit way. Oh, it's kind of gross out
Take
here.
the next left onto El Salto Villa Union, Carretera
Okay,
Federal
up
40.
and over the overpass.
Keep left to stay on El Salto Villa Union.
Thank you. Keep left. Libre. Well, at least we're not paying any more tolls. It was slower to take the toll road or something. It said 5 minutes slower. Still got 28 minutes though. Like, where are we? Very outskirts of. Oh no, this is a whole different town. Ah, what is this town called? Villa Union. Alright, concentrate, Sean. This is like a small town outside of Mazatlan. Oh god. Well, I feel like there's not going to be any big military checkpoint now that I'm kind of in the city. Maybe? Feeling like we kind of made it. And now some of the city driving can be a little crazy maybe. Hopefully all goes well. I remember watching some of the city driving when I was just here.
In 500 meters, turn right onto Internacional, Libramiento to Mazatlan.
Okay, getting back on 15 highway. So yeah, so we avoided the 15D. Okay, I'm okay with that, I think, I hope.
Take the next right onto Internacional, Libramiento to Mazatlan.
Or this will be a mistake. We should have went 5 minutes slower on the toll. But no, we should be able to easily drive in and around Mazatlan, no
Continue
worries.
on Carretera Federal 15 Norte for 13 kilometers.
Oh, I thought I said the route was clear, Google. Okay, so let's just stick with this red car. See, like, I don't know what to do here now. Like, obviously they all have to yield to me. This is, yeah. This is like back to Thailand driving, just kind of go with the flow. Okay, we're going with the flow. I'm just gonna mimic this red car in front of me. Well, at least we stayed left and flew through that congestion. Now we can maybe get right. Maybe. Oh, a dog just crossed the road. Okay, this is Mexico. Holy. My eyes are going everywhere all at once. This is just a different town. I like it though. Again, everything's just flowing. People are crossing. There's no road rage, right? Everything just flows. I'm gonna get over to the right. Alright, 12 kilometers straight. Beautiful. We're out of this little town. Looks cool. Happening town. I like it. And yeah, it's definitely greener than when I was here in April, so I feel like I'm still in the rainy season. Wow, there's a big river down there. Luscious river. Losing my shit. Whoa, some people drive fast here though. I mean, like, I haven't really seen much of Mexico, right? I avoided it all. This guy's dropping whatever he's got. Bananas? Oh, he's got a cactus. Dropping chunks of cactus. Oh. So we're just getting into Mazatlan. I think we're just passing where the airport is. So, like, I've been here before. No, we just passed the airport. So I've been on this road before. How did I miss the aeropuerto? Motorcycle. Sorry, cycling moto. Again, some weird driving practices. Oh, there's a person smarting on the shoulder. But yeah, ooh. Let's slow down a bit. I need to stop and get a drink. My throat is so dry. Water fell. I should have stopped back there in the town. The town was crazy though, that last town. I already forgot the name. Oh, they got a water park here. I remember that. I remember passing the water park on on the bus from the airport last April. So it's February now, so 10 months ago I was here. 10 months and I'm back.
600 meters, continue straight onto Carretera Internacional, Mexico 15, Mazatlan, Tepic.
Beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna find a place to stop here and grab a drink out of my cooler. Oh, I just got a glimpse of the downtown where the mountain is, part of Central. Don't think I should signal when I'm changing lanes. Usually that's just how people flow. You only signal when you're turning. Yeah. Well, some of the resorts. Stay by the streets. Yeah, there with all the towers on it. That's Central. Oh, this guy's got a red hat. He's running back for his red hat. Oh, the guy's backing up with a motorcycle in the back of a car pickup truck. Oh, Mazatlan, you're already entertaining. And I haven't even gotten here. Alright, I still need to stop and get a drink. Oh god, where do I stop? Oh, Naranja. Frutzo. That's good. It's like real orange juice, but carbonated. Alright. Where are we? Holy shit, Kira's like, what are we doing? What are we doing here? Okay. Can't stop for too long. I told Airbnb lady that I'd be 20 minutes. Now I'm gonna be 2 minutes late. I left a 2-minute buffer, I think. How do we merge? I guess with my signal. I mean, people will just merge. Oh, we are not getting behind that guy. This guy behind me is just blowing smoke like crazy. Oh no, remember I said there's a truck behind me blowing smoke everywhere? It's like this garbage truck. He's parked right beside me. Ugh. Got all the windows closed, recirc on. I guess AC on because the humidity's already. Oh, he's just gonna. Hello. God, we're in Mexico. Oh, he's just gonna blow like. I'm just gonna sit here for a bit. Oh, it looks like I am smoking. Oh, good, the wind.
Turn left onto Carretera Internacional, Mexico 15.
Yeah, these far outs. Holy shit! I got that on camera. He just blew a tire. That was like a gunshot. Oh, it was 100% one of his tires. Oh, where am I turning? Yeah, that's why you never drive beside a semi. Like, those tires blow. Okay, so this is a U-turn lane. Then an intersection. Wow. I'd like to see that in slow motion. Yeah, these far outskirts are kind of the place to stay away from. Oh, it's tough. I definitely will give some change to some people here. It's difficult. It's always difficult. A red arrow. I remember, again, looking at some of this last time I was here. Who popped his tire. He's looking under there now. Boom! Semi tires are under a high PSI. Okay, we have a left arrow. Okay, 2 lanes. Okay, yeah, sure.
For 1.5 kilometers.
At least I shouldn't have to navigate these crazy roads out here very often. But again, this is like simpler than the interstates. That was my turn. Where are you going, lady?
In 500 meters, turn right after the gas station. On the right onto Del Herrero. Signs for Avenida Juan Pablo II.
Pablo II. is so much though. And again, sure, squeeze in there. She's going the far lane. Nobody's gonna get mad. Says I could take the back alley here. No, that's one way. Big intersection, green light, multiple lanes. That's slightly confusing. 30k speed limit, no stopping. Share it with bikes. Pedestrian crossing, pedestrian. You don't stop for pedestrians here though. Not like Canada and the US. Like everywhere else in the world, the driver has right away. Okay, don't miss your turn.
Take the next right after the gas station. On the right.
After the gas station on the
Signs for
right.
Avenida Blanc.
I can't see. Oh god. Okay, after the gas station through Google Maps. That's impressive. That saved me. Okay, uncontrolled intersection. Uncontrolled intersection. Jesus. Uncontrolled intersection. See. Oh no, he's got a stop sign. Treat everything like uncontrolled. Topaz, unmarked. Ah. Topaz? Topaz. I think it's Tope. Ooh, low tide. So what is this? This is a river. Oh, it's part of the bay. Oh, I'm all turned around. Okay, I'm going back to the north. Oh, I know where I am now. Okay. Concentrate, concentrate. Okay, there's a turn up here. That's right where my place is. Yeah, I love how you can have quads and stuff on the street here. Dune buggies, side by side, anything you want is like street legal here. Good. 3:30 on Thursday, right? Jesus. Thursday, February 2nd. Hell yeah.
In 500 meters.
We got all February. And Carnival is in a couple weeks. Oh my god. It's gonna be crazy. So at least I should have a bit of a chill lull here, and then things should just escalate up to Carnival. Here's my turn. Here? Oh, Google Maps. No, not the military. I looked this up on Google Maps. This is like a military thing right there. That would have been bad to turn into. Oh yeah, this isn't as nice here, fortunately. Now it's up here on the right. Okay, I made it.
Your destination is on the left.
Alright, two big brown doors or something. This should be it right here. Oh, well, this is cool. It's unique and it's private, so I mean for $30 a night, it'll do. And I'll think about maybe booking this next week as well. We'll see. We'll see about walking the dog around the area. But the vehicle's locked in here, so outdoor kitchen, fridge, propane stove, should be perfect. I have to padlock everything. Padlock the bedroom and the gate. Just pretty simple bathroom, toilet, shower, nothing special. But yeah, it's just so nice having your vehicle right here, locked up. Decent steel gate. Yeah, nobody's getting in here. Yeah. Yeah, just a bedroom, TV. I haven't looked at the view yet. Oh, we can see a bit of Centro. But yeah, the tower's being built. Got air conditioning, so yeah. Bed looks comfortable. I like it. It's simple, it's clean, it doesn't smell. We got a nice courtyard, green plants. Yeah, neighborhood's pretty quiet. as a moped goes by. I mean, I just think that's the first vehicle that's went by, so yeah. It's like having my vehicle right here, right? Everything valuable is in there. So should be perfect. I can like leave the windows down. Could even park my vehicle over here more. Pull the awning out. Don't have a chair or anything here though. Anyways, we'll talk to you guys later.